Express the following ratios in simplest form. Now, remember, in simplest form, all parts of a ratio need to be integers. So we can't have fractions and we can't have decimals. Now, the first example here is really quite straightforward. The reason being that the denominator is 7 on both sides of the ratio. So effectively what we can do is multiply both sides by 7, which will get rid of the denominator. And so this one just becomes 3 to 5. With the next one, what I would start by doing is make this into an improper fraction. So 3 times 2 is 6, add 1 is 7. So I've got 7 over 3. And on this side I've got 5, which is effectively 5 over 1. So I can remove the denominator by making the denominator here 3. This would be the same eventually as multiplying both sides by 3, but you'll see what we get. So an equivalent fraction here would be 15 over 3. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. And then multiply both sides of the ratio by 3, which we could actually have done at this stage. And that will remove the denominator. And so we'll just get 7 to 15, which does not cancel any further. What we need to do with this next one is write it as equivalent fractions over a fraction which has a common denominator for 5 and 7. You should know from your work on fractions that 35 would be a good one here. So I've multiplied the bottom of this fraction by 7, do the same to the top. I've multiplied the bottom of this fraction by 5, do the same to the top. And then once again, we can multiply both sides by 35 or just remove the denominator, and we get 7 to 10